Dive into smell bad. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, smell bad. This is a common expression in English that we often use to describe certain things, places, or even situations. Stick around to understand its meaning and how to use it in various contexts. Smell bad consists of two words. 1. Smell refers to the sense by which we recognize the odor of something. 2. Bad, a word that denotes something unpleasant or undesirable. Together, smell bad directly implies that something has an unpleasant odor. It's a direct and simple way to express that something doesn't smell good. To understand any phrase, it's always great to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. The trash can smells bad, we should take it out. 2. I forgot to dry my shoes, and now they smell bad. 3. After the power outage, the food in the fridge started to smell bad. From these examples, we can see that the phrase can be used to describe various items or situations, from food to objects, that have an unpleasant odor. Sometimes, you might want to express the same idea but in a different way. Here are some synonyms for smell bad. 1. Stink. The socks in the laundry basket stink. 2. Reek. The alleyway reeks of old garbage. 3. Give off a foul odor. The pond gives off a foul odor due to the algae. Using synonyms can make your speech or writing more varied and interesting. To better understand smell bad, it's useful to know its opposite. When something has a pleasant aroma, we can say it smells good. For example, the flowers in the garden smell good. She smells good because she's wearing her favorite perfume. And that's a wrap on smell bad. This straightforward phrase can be a useful addition to your English vocabulary, especially when you're trying to describe something with an unpleasant odor. We hope this breakdown helps you in your language learning journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using it in your conversations, and soon it'll become second nature.